Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be doing a different video. I was asked by Onedaysaving to do an unboxing video for them. So I got to choose 3 products from their really wide range of craft supplies. They have so many diamond paintings, there'd be something to suit everybody. Embroidery supplies, paint by numbers, cross stitch, different crochet hook kits, and they have some really lovely bags to carry your craft supplies, and they have nail art. The items I chose were posted really quickly and they arrived here in Australia with no hassles and in really good time. Now the items I picked out was a set of crochet hooks. Now anyone who watches my videos would know these are the crochet hooks I use all the time. The pack comes in 8 sizes. They're a really good price. They have an aluminium hook and a plastic handle with a really pretty pattern. I like pretty patterns on my things. Now the sizes are a 6mm. I use that a lot. I do a lot of beanies for a charity group, so I use that. And a 5.5mm. I use them sometimes for blankets. And a 5mm. There's a 4.5mm and a 4. I use 8-ply yarn or light worsted a lot, so I use those a lot for them. And there's a 3.5mm hook, a 3mm hook, and a 2.5. I use the 2.5 on my videos with the Katona cotton a lot. These are just my favourite hooks. I bought some expensive hooks once and they broke in no time. These hooks, I haven't had any break. The numbers do wear off in time, but I do an awful lot of crocheting, so I just use a permanent marker and put the numbers on the back when that happens. So these are just my favourite hooks. The next item I got was some scissors. They come in a nice pack and they're cranes, little pair of crane scissors. I'd always wanted a pair of crane scissors but never got round to getting one. And they're very sharp. They've got the little cap on the end and they'll be really good for cutting just your yarn right in close. And they're quite sharp and great for embroidery or crochet or sewing. And the last product I got was some sewing needles. They've come in a little container which will keep them safe. And they've got the big eyes, which are great when your eyes go and you have trouble threading them. There's 25 in the pack and they've got a good sharp point, which is good for sewing. So they were the 3 products I got. So I'm really happy with all of those. Thank you One Day Savings for this opportunity. If you would like to buy any of these products, we have links in the description below to all the products. And check out all the other products that One Day Savings has while you're there. They do have a promotion going at the moment for spring. It goes till the 30th of April and the code is SPRING5. We'll mention that in the description below. It's a $5 discount on any order, but only one per person. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.